Something I've been fooling around with at home is to try and figure out a way to make simple muffins or maybe even cornbread, something like that, on the trail over a camp stove. Now, if you've got a cast iron pan or a Dutch oven or a heavy pot, it's pretty easy, but if you've got just a light titanium pot like this one, pretty hard. Whatever you do is going to burn. A really simple recipe that I've come up with that uses two ingredients that you probably already have along, whether you're camping or backpacking. You're taking some quick oats, either in a bulk form like this, or maybe something a little fancier, flavored, apples and cinnamon, peaches and cream, whatever. You've got that with you. And maybe some pancake mix. This happens to be just a generic, complete pancake mix. You want to make sure and use the complete one because it's got the baking powder and the salt and the sugar and everything all in it. So basically the recipe is super simple. You take the two ingredients and you mix them 50-50. What I'm going to be doing is taking a silicone baking cup and putting my batter mix inside that, and then putting this inside the pot and essentially steaming it. So now that I've got the ingredients mixed, I'm going to pour in a little bit of water. You want a fairly thick consistency, so go easy on the water. If you have to, you can always add a little bit more pancake mix. So now to cook this, I'm just going to put about an inch of water in the bottom of my pot here. Essentially enough water so that it steams, but you don't want to boil your pot dry. I'm going to take this little piece of wire I just put into the shape of a spring here, put it in the bottom of my cup, hopefully you can see that, just so that it holds the silicone off the bottom of the pot. Let's just take a quick look here. Okay, I'd say that's about done. Just going to pull that out of there. It's a little doughy, just because it's been cooked with steam. But I think it's a little bit of a treat and an upgrade from oatmeal. I've also tried this using corn flour, and it works fairly well for simple corn biscuits with dinner.